What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. I am so stoked for today's video. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I got a massive carbon fiber wing. We are going race car mode on the 335i. Let's just get straight into it. Let's not waste any more time. So coming around to the rear of the car, this wing is pretty big. I'm not going to show it to you guys just yet, but it is going to require some drilling. There is a little bit of leftover like residue and stuff from the prior adhesive from the other carbon fiber like wing that I had. Some of that is still on there, so I'm going to take some Goo Gone and try to get all of this off, and then I'm also just going to prep the surface, clean it down. And from there we'll get straight to the mounting process. So to get the rest of the adhesive off, all I'm going to be using is Goo Gone. This stuff works pretty well, but you do have to be a little bit careful because it has the potential to strip the paint. So I'm just going to apply like a really small amount onto like a paper towel and just kind of dab it onto the surface where the adhesive is, let it do its thing, and then I'm just going to try to peel as much of it off as I can. But yeah. Oh, one other thing, if you guys follow me on my social media, specifically Instagram at Omar Sadat, OMARRSADAT, you guys will see that I'm always cruising with my buddy's F80 M3. His name is Gabe. He does some really awesome content actually. He has a YouTube channel himself. It's called Blues Clues M3. So if any of you guys are interested in M3 stuff, F80, F-Series, check out his YouTube channel. He has a lot of really good videos up there, and I'll post a few clips from his car because it's pretty badass. And there we go. Surface is prepped. Looks so much better. Alright guys, so now I'm going to reveal the spoiler itself. I cannot wait to show this thing to you guys. Let's get into it. And voila, you guys. Would you look at that beautiful carbon fiber spoiler? It looks so nice. I can't wait to put this on because it's going to add so much aerodynamic downforce to the car. It's going to be great for track days, and I absolutely love the way this thing looks. So impressed. Best news about it is that you don't even have to drill to get it into the trunk. It comes already with 3M adhesive tape, and all you got to do is peel the backside and just mount it right on there. So let's go ahead and do so. So the tricky part is actually just making sure that this thing gets aligned and centered really on the rear of the car. Obviously you want the fitment to look just right. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it and just make sure that everything kind of checks out. But also, if you guys hadn't seen this already, check out what happened to my badge. Yeah, that really sucks. I was spraying the car at the car wash with the power hose, and as I was spraying the rear, the moment the water jet hit the logo, it just took the BMW sign right off of it. And it turns out this thing that actually gives it the color and the logo is actually just like a piece of plastic film. So I have to get a new badge now. Sucks, but oh well. And there you have it, you guys. What do you think? I think this looks so sick, to be honest, and it really, really fits the persona of this car. Really digging the way it looks, to be honest. But anyway, you guys, obviously that was a joke. I probably would never get an actual massive carbon fiber wing for this car unless if I was turning it into some crazy ass race car, which probably won't be happening anytime soon. But not gonna lie, I really like the way this little thing looks. I'm probably gonna leave it on here for at least like a week or so, just for fun, not because I'm serious about performance or actually keeping that on there. Obviously it looks silly, but sorry I kind of clickbaited you guys with the title. But I figured it would be a funny little April Fool's thing to do. And, you know, just a quick update on the car. Everything is running great. Been on a number of cruises. Actually, this weekend I'm going to be going on a really sick fun run with my friend Gabe and a bunch of other really awesome car enthusiasts as well. So I'm really looking forward to that. But that's about it for me. New brakes are going to be coming very soon on the car as well. I'm going to be getting the cross-drilled rotors with upgraded ceramic pads, probably going to do the brake fluid as well, and we'll get a video for that as well. Do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that no one was offended by the fact that it was an April Fool's joke. I don't see why you would be offended, but whatever. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button down below. It helps me a lot, and I will have a ton of sick videos for you guys coming up very, very soon. Can't wait to get them out for you. With all that being said, take it easy, guys. Peace out.